Welcome, guys! Do you want to experience one of the most beautiful boutique hotels in Morocco? Today, we are in the city of Fes, and we will be touring this stunning historic property. Let's get started. Welcome to Fes. Our hotel is located in a quiet area inside the Fes Medina. The Medina is the old world district of the city. The property was built in the 18th century by a family of olive merchants and was fully restored and converted into a boutique hotel in 2007. The hotel only has 5 suites. Each of them is different and has its own personality. It has this beautiful courtyard, which is home to the hotel restaurant. This space is very bright and airy, and the Moroccan style decor makes it very unique. This is the reception, which can be accessed from the courtyard. It has this sitting area where you can relax or have a drink. Although the decoration feels very Moroccan, it has a very nice and subtle modern touch. And here is another social area for guests. Let's have a look. There are 2 comfortable sofas, these 2 floor cushions, and a Moroccan table for tea. Here is another lounge, which is an extension of the restaurant. This turtle is so friendly. He followed me all afternoon around the property. Welcome to our suite. This is the Jana suite, the newest room on the property, located on the 1st floor. The room has these very colourful floor-to-ceiling windows, which give it a very nice and special vibe. I really like the fact that the ceiling is very high. The suite feels super spacious. let's have a closer look at these beautiful windows. What do you guys think about the suite so far? Please let me know below in the comments. There are a couple of armchairs with a table by the bed, as well as some interesting pieces of Islamic art. The bed is a large double and is very comfortable. Not too firm, not too soft, just perfect. The pillows are pretty good and the bed sheets are very soft. Two wooden bedside tables with a lamp each. And here is the aircon remote, which you will definitely need in the summer. There is some storage space and a wardrobe over there. And these are the stairs that will take us to the bathroom. I'm sure that you guys will like it. Very elegant, spacious, and the color of the tiles make it look super nice. It's got a large walk-in shower where two people can shower at the same time. Here is this artisan glycerin soap bar with a subtle mint aroma. Very good quality, and it smells so nice. Two soft and comfy bathrobes. And now let's have a look at the shower amenities. This is the conditioner. And this is the shower gel and shampoo. And both are made from natural ingredients. And it's now time to explore the impressive rooftop bar. Follow me. There is this nice chill out area, and opposite are a couple of sofas with a table. The perfect spot to have your afternoon Moroccan tea. Here is my Moroccan mint tea, and it came with these delicious almond treats. The rooftop also has an observation deck with some stunning views of the Medina of Fes. Guys, have you ever been to Morocco? Let me know in the comments. Time to have dinner at the hotel restaurant. The courtyard is even more impressive at night when the lights are on. This restaurant has a very good reputation as it has earned several recommendations from well-known travel guides and magazines. They don't serve traditional Moroccan food though. Instead, it is a fusion restaurant with European influence, and they only use fresh and local products. Here is my starter, a tomato soup with pesto and goat cheese. Simple but delicious. And my main course, seared sea bream with pumpkin mash and potatoes. Let's wrap up today's video with breakfast on the rooftop. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.